Ever wondered how a lot of crypto traders still make money from the crypto market even when the market is this bad? Bro, you can see everywhere is red. I mean, the market is not smiling, but a lot of traders, most of them actually, still make money, myself included, even when the market is this bad. And that is because we make money by exploiting price across multiple exchanges in this crypto market. So if you're new to my channel, I make a lot of videos on arbitrage trading, how to exploit price across multiple exchanges and make money without even doing any technical or fundamental analysis. So if this is the type of content you like, kindly hit the subscribe button. Now, if I wanted to trade, I'll most likely be looking for 10% or 20% of my capital whenever I'm trading, because the crypto market is volatile and we are looking to make money and go out of the trade and find another one. That's basically how I make money by trading. So if I'm looking for that 10%, 20%, arbitrage trading can give me that without even trading. I can just buy from this exchange. This is Get.io. I send it to my MEXC account and make money. Let me show you, for instance. Let's just find one project, right? Let's search for this project, odds, for instance. I'll show you the price of odds in this Get.io and how you can exploit the price. So you can see odds USDT, you can simply open it 0.0005, and that's the price on Gate.io. You can see the charts is bulky, so it means a lot of transactions is going on here. 24 hours volume is 18 million. Like I told you, you always check the volume. Then 24 hours volume on USDT is 10k. It's not much, but at least you can see the trades is a new project as well. So you can see is, yeah, there are orders being fulfilled, right? You can see the orders being fulfilled there. You can see the movements, right? So it's not a dead project, and that's what we are looking at for once we want to like um exploit prices on this exchange. So now the price of odds here is 0.00053, right? Now if I'm looking to make money from this project right now, I have to find a way to buy this very low, and that's buying it here at this particular price and selling it at another exchange at a very high price. Now this will enable me make money without even trading it. You understand? I'm basically buying it here, sending it over to the exchange and selling it off immediately and taking my money ASAP, bro. Now let's find another exchange where we can sell this at a higher price. There are ways to check for these exchanges. You can search for it on CMC, but I won't go into that because that should be a separate video on its own. It's long as hell. So I'll just need to show you the exchange, right? According to my research, MEXC is the exchange where I can sell this very high, right? So I will have to go in ASAP and check the price difference as well. Now you can see the price difference is 0.0061, and that's odds, right? That's still the same odds, you can see. So let's open it up and check the same volumes like we checked. So you can see the volumes here is higher. That's basically 26 million high, then 10k, then yeah. So basically we are going to exploit the price here in MEXC. So you can see MEXC odds. So let's quickly go to the sell area and see how much is exploitable here. um let's do the same thing for here, sell area. Now if you are buying, okay, here is buy area. Now if you're buying on Gate.io, right? See, this is Gate.io and this is MEXC. So if you're buying on Gate.io, for instance, you're buying with a capital of $100, right? I mean, you're looking to make out the best profit we can whenever we see it. Like arbitrage trading isn't that easy to come by, so if you see it, exploit it to the fullest, bro. So we copy this, just copy the amount here and $100 here. Let's paste it here and see how much you'll be making with $100, bro. So paste it on this quantity area or odds here. Now we are making $116. Now from this one transaction we've made $16, right? Now if you are trading with $100 and we made $16, that basically means we've made 15% or more than 15% of our capital, and that's very okay. If you are a day trader, you understand that that's a very good profit margin. Right now we are not trading, we are not doing any technical analysis, we are just buying from here and selling here, and we are making $16 on a ASAP basis, bro. And we are making $16. So if this doesn't excite you, bro, I don't know what will, bro. I mean, looking for exchanges to just exploit on a daily basis is very fun to do. I mean, you understand the joy that comes with free money, bro, until you enter arbitrage trading. So if you want more videos on arbitrage trading, you know what to do, bro. Simply click on the subscribe button and stay connected with this channel, because I drop updates on arbitrage trading, on how to profit from the crypto market, strategies you can use for trading. I mean, every money making opportunity that is available to me, I drop it for you guys on this channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, you are missing a whole lot. So let's go.